Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to set up baking programs with the IQ Touch. First of all, you click on this to get into the baking program menu. After this, you'll push this slightly longer and get on New. Then you'll choose an empty number, in this case 6, confirm. First thing you're going to do is you check what name you want to give the baking program, in this case B for baguette. I'll just take B. The next thing is you choose the picture you want. For example, you can also put your own pictures into this program, but in this case, as I use baguette, I'll just use the ones we have already in the system, which would be the baguette here. Next thing is you choose the sounds. There's a number of preset sounds, but you could also put your own music into the system. But now we get to the important part, which is the top right here, where I set up the baking parameters. So for this part, you'll check the top heat. For example, let's say with a baguette, we start with a high top heat temperature, but we drop after, let's say, 10 minutes, for example, to 230 degrees. I'll just set another 230 degrees here, 10 minutes, and I confirm. So this means the baking program will automatically drop temperature after 10 minutes for the top heat to 230. For the lower heat, I'll just change the temperature a little lower, probably 210. We don't need it that high. Of course, if you want to drop the lower heat, it's also possible, just by, again, clicking the bottom here. Then the next thing is the steam. Let's say we use a baguette this time. So for a baguette, usually we give the steam right away when we get into the oven. So what we do is the off is 0, because we want to give steam right away. And then on, let's say 3 seconds. So this time, the program will automatically give 3 seconds of steam once the program is started. Of course, if I want to give more steam, I can add an unlimited number of steam values here, but then again, of course, the oven will have its limitations. The last one is the damper. So if I want to add the damper here, I click again on the bottom. Let's say I want to open the damper for around 50% after 10 minutes. I'll set up these values. I confirm. Then I have to preset here at the beginning. In the first 10 minutes, I want 0 because I don't want it to open. So after this is set up, the damper will open after 10 minutes for 50% and will stay there for another 10 minutes until the baking program is finished. If I want to save these values, I'll just click on the Save button here. I'll click on the Home button here, get into the basic menu, and then again I can find the baking program we just set up. I'll select it, and then the values we've preset all work here. I start. And the baking program gives the steam automatically and will go just along as we set it up.